this is when it gets to be fun. Everything's clean, painted, and it's just bolting stuff on. The dirty work's just about done. This is gonna be a nice car. Really trying to do a good job for the customer. It's been a long time since he had a Volkswagen, and I don't think he's ever actually had a Volkswagen probably as nice as this one. That little engine's gonna be pretty stout. It's got a little 110 cam in it. Makes you see how that's gonna run. So you see what we've done. The chassis is all painted, transmission's all painted and prettied up. Engine's back in it. Just starting to bolt pieces on. Master cylinder's in. Now I gotta build the front end. I'm not really looking forward to that. A little bit more dirty work than pressing the ball joints in and out, but we'll get it done. Hope to have this thing, hope to be ready to put the body on one night next week. So y'all stay tuned for that. Looks good from this side.
Yeah. Just missed his hair lift on the other side.
It's just hair lift on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, that thing's like, what's up, buddy?
Not much.
You making it all right?
Oh, yeah. A lot better than I was the first time you saw me.
The second time I saw you.
Second time, yeah.
All right, take it up. Can't cover the door.
Well, we move the board back.
Come in here and open this door, see? We get the door checked off. What is it? The car needs to come back or what?
Seems like it needs to go forward. If it's going back,
Go ahead and I'll hold it.
Hold the door.
I got it.
And the first look at the Diablo chassis.
We got two
Easy.
Easy day.
Easy down.
We want to catch on them.
Tell me when you're ready. Look, I think it needs to go right. All right. I'll run this, you just watch that.
Good. way easier than the other way.
Well, when it's the first time we put any thought into how can we do better?
That's good though.
Who? I mean, somebody gonna want a kudos for that. I can already hear it.
Is that gonna be a platinum kudos, or is that gonna be one of them $5?
Yeah, it's probably a $5 one. So today, some of the first looks at El Diablo. And I'm taking advantage of all this help I got today. We got the 71 Super Beetle put back, you know, just kind of temporary back together. David Pugh from Knoxville's coming to get it next week. Gonna be a project car for him and his daddy. Real excited for them. Now we're finna get Mr. Herschel's back in here and get back on it. El Diablo chassis is headed to Dennis's house for dirt and all. And it's literally going dirt and all. He's gonna put the floor pans in it, do all the cleanup, paint work. He's gonna hook me up. Y'all stay tuned for an update on that. What do you think? Do we run these wheels? Do we change the 17s? What do you think? Y'all let me know. Drop me a comment in the section below. Tell me what you want to see. Oh yeah.
So if we could put an air ride on it, park it, and drop it down that low, that look cool sitting in the grass.
Literally, great. Bit of the work we're doing on El Diablo this morning. Just kind of picking and choosing where I want to go, where I want to start at. I wanted to see what the driver's side heater channel looked like, how much rust was on this side. So you can see the front firewall's got a lot of rust in it. But I don't think that's really that big a deal. I'll fix it. This is what's concerning to me. This is the bottom of the heater channel. Of course, we got new channels to go in it. But this is the bottom of the A pillar. You can see the heater hose running up through there. So what I did is just basically took it all back down to bare metal, dressed it up, trying to reveal all the spot welds, but then I sprayed it with some rust inhibitor to kind of kill whatever rust is there, which it looks like a lot. So we'll probably make a cut somewhere right through here, right above the heater channel, and just cut all that bad metal out. I was in the aircraft sheet metal industry for about 6 years. I learned from some really good sheet metal guys, and I've done this quite a bit on my own projects, so I don't think this is going to be that big a deal. But we're going to take our time. We're going to make it right. This is going to be a car that I'm super proud to own.
All right, so this pan's been test fitted. All the holes, spot weld holes drilled or punched. Now we've cleaned everything up. Now this one is ready to weld in. So, pretty tight fit. Everything seems to be fitting perfect. So, pretty good set of pans. Didn't have to do any trimming. Everything lined up perfectly.